Hello everyone and welcome back to Foxy. So everybody might have heard about Jade Roller and Gua Sha because it's very trending on Instagram right now. And actually if you go to see, those two tools are very effective if you want a natural facelift and a natural glow. So today I will be showing you how to apply the products and how to use the Jade Roller and Gua Sha on your face so that you get good results and your face looks lifted and naturally glowing. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first step of using Gua Sha or using any product on your face is cleansing your face. So I'll be using wet wipes. Just a little tip, if you're using wet wipes and you do not want to waste wet wipes because it is costly, just tear the wet wipes down from the center so that you can use it twice. Once your face is cleansed, the next step will be using any kind of essential oil or moisturizer which has a very creamy and oily texture. So I will be using vitamin E oil. We'll be taking one capsule out of it, cut it from the top and just start applying it on your face. We apply oil or moisturizer on the face before using a Gua Sha or a Jade Roller. We use an oil product or a moisturizer on our face before using the tool so that it glides on our skin and does not get stuck. Today I will be using the Flawless Contour Gua Sha and Jade Roller set. So first I will be showing you how to use a Jade Roller. So the bigger section of the Jade Roller is used for this part of your skin, for the cheeks. And the smaller sections are used for under eyes, forehead and upper lips and lower lips and nose. Whenever you're using a Jade Roller, hold it from the center and keep a very mild pressure. Do not press it too hard on the skin, it will be very harsh. To make your cheeks look uplifted, you'll take the bigger section from the inner corner of your cheeks and roll it upwards. Do this on both the sides 5 times. After your cheeks comes the lower portion towards your jaw. Not exactly under your jaw, just above your jaw. From the inner corner of your lip, drag it till the ear. Same thing on the other side. I have seen a lot of people use it in a wrong way. They do this and this is not the right way. It won't increase the flow of blood and it won't make your face look uplifted. Always go from the inner corner to the outer corner, lift it up and again start. Do not roll it back. For under eyes, we will be using the smaller section. Go from the inner corner of the eye and lift it upwards. For the nose, go from your nostrils till the center of your eyebrow, from both sides. And for your forehead, you can use the bigger section and you can use the smaller section as well. So if you're doing it on your temple, just use the smaller section, go from down to up. And for your forehead, from down to up again. Now comes the lips area. Now for the upper lips, you will go from the inner corner till the outer corner of your lips. On both sides. Use the bigger section for lower lip. Go from the center, then drag it outwards. Now jade roller can also be used for your neck and to decrease your double chin. So always go from down to up. Go from your collarbone to your jawbone. The use of jade roller helps increase blood circulation in your skin and eventually will bring out your natural glow. Do use this at least once in the day before sleeping or after you wake up. Please use essential oil or moisturizer. Now we'll go to Gua Sha. So this is the most famous tool, Gua Sha. Now there are many different uses of this single jade Gua Sha. You can get rid of wrinkles, you can get rid of puffy eyes, you can get rid of dark circles, you can tone your face, you can uplift your eyebrows. There are a lot of different uses. You can create a jawline for yourself, but the only thing that you have to keep in mind is consistency. Do it every day if you want the results that you desire. So let's begin. Jade roller can be used to uplift your eyebrows. The bump part of jade roller, keep it on the inner corner of your eyebrow and drag it outside. Whenever you are using these tools, keep in mind your direction should be upwards, not downwards. Repeat it on both the sides. Do not press the Gua Sha on your skin too hard. The side which has a curve inwards, we'll be using it for under eye. And drag upwards. You can also shape your nose with using Gua Sha. Go from the upper corner, that is between your eyebrows, till the tip of your nose. You can use it to get rid of smile lines or wrinkles as well. So if you are getting smile lines, just hold your lip. On both sides. Gua Sha can also be used to redefine your cheekbones. So go from the inner corner and drag upwards. Now, as I said before, this tool can be used if you need a jawline. So let me show you how. This is the natural jaw that I have. All you have to do is the bump area. Go from the center of your chin till your ear and keep tracking your jawbone. You can also reshape your neck. Use this section, the inner curve, and drag upwards till your jawbone. And on the outer edge of the neck, go from your ear downwards till your shoulder. So this is how you use these two famous products, Gua Sha and Jade roller. It is not necessary that you use both of these products together. You can either use the Jade roller or the Gua Sha, or both if you like. It all depends on you. But the key is consistency. Keep doing it every day before you sleep or after you wake up. Use essential oils because this product helps the essential oil to be seeped into your pore and heal it from within. And it also increases your blood circulation. You can get rid of a lot of skin problems using this product. It's a tool of face massage which helps your skin glow. If you want to know more skincare tips or any more home remedies, comment down below and we will surely work onto it, and we'll be back with another beautiful video for you guys. Do subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Help this video reach a lot of people and help them get a glowing skin. Follow us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips, and follow me on Instagram, Simbo Art. Thank you.